Hey guys, Victor Kayak here. It's been a while since my injury, 10 months exactly. I'm still taking therapy. I'm almost done with it. I still gotta wear this. My last visit to the doctor, my elbow, it was, I would say 50%. I don't think I'm gonna be 100% never. They did evaluation doing my therapies, and the most I can pick up with my left elbow is about 50 pounds, and at the airport is more than that. Well, I'm doing more therapy. I'm about 3 more and that's it. Going back to the doctor and see what we're gonna do. I don't want to say yet, but I might change jobs. That's one of the things that he was telling me, that most of the people that have this kind of surgery, they're never 100%, and they have to swap jobs. Anyways, I've been there with this month 22 years at the airport. It's not easy, but I'm almost back. Like I said, I'm on my last therapy. That's it. I mean, there's nothing else I can do. There's nothing else we can do. Those people with the therapy is hard. It's not easy. But anyway, like I said, 3 more days. I'm almost back. Hopefully. And see what he says. But for now, let's see what happens. You know? Well, since I'm at the house, I know it's been a while, I'm going to do another DIY. It's not my own idea. It's another channel idea, but they've been doing a couple of things. I got my old Ascend fs12t, the original one from 2016, I believe, 2015, 2016. And I'm going to raise my seat. I've been wanting to do that a long time, and with this injury that I've been working on, I can't do heavy. I cannot lift heavy stuff, but kite's not heavy anyways, you know. But I can move my arm a little bit better. Like I said before, picking up is the problem. And the people that I was watching online, they put what do you call it? Aluminum bars, and one's going in the front and one's going in the back, and I just got to cut it to size. It's 1/8, 4 feet, 1/8 by 1 inch. I think that's good enough to hold my my butt. And because you go in the water, you're not going to do that much pressure anyway. So since on my last video, you saw that I did a home remedy fixing my floor of the kayak because I got a crack. And with this, raising the seat, I don't have to worry about it. This it's still glue and it's still sealed. But if I don't have to put pressure, I mean, I got the welding machine that I bought online. But if I don't have to weld, and like I said, raise the seat, it's better. Anyway, let me start the building. Let me start building and see what's going on, and we continue our journey. So there's a couple ideas. They raise the seat with the aluminum bar. This gonna go also. The screw's gonna go to hold the bars right here, and they come with plastic washer or rubber washer. You can see right there. They are 12 by 2 inch. They're not stainless steel. That's gonna be, but they are self-drilling. That's what it's using. And I'm also going to use, and this is going to be stainless steel. That's going to go in the seat. That's going to go supposedly like that. I don't know. Something like that. I think you can see it. Oh, sorry, I got a freaking fan outside. I almost run. Anyway, let's start building and see what happened. Let's do it. So what I'm gonna do now is measure the back, because the other guy put it right here on top of those two support, but the seat's supposed to go between here and here. So now I'm going to put it on right on top, and the first one measure, I will say 24 inches for the back. So I'm going to cut it and I'll be back. Okay, I got the first one cut right here. It was almost 23 and a quarter. So that's perfect, because I'm going to put it right there in the back. Because I'm going to put the seat in between these two rack right here. This is for forward, and if you want to go forward a little bit or go back. If you go back, kayak goes like this. If you go forward, kayak go like this. But if you're in the middle, you stay in the middle. That's what I'm looking for. Now I'm going to measure the other one, go here and cut it. I'll be back in a minute. Okay, already cut it. It looks crazy. Let me put it, look in front that way. It looks crazy. I put these handles right here on the side, but the seat's gonna be on the top anyway. Man, it looks sick. Look at that. It's perfect right there. It's perfect right there. So now I'm gonna do the screws and put the screws on it and see how it goes. We continue. Okay, I can't use this one from the old town, so I got the old seat back, still in good condition. I'm looking for the new model, but I can't find it anywhere. So as soon as I can get it, I use the other one. So this one, it's out of the picture, and back with a regular original one. Screw number one, I don't want to tie it yet. I just want to present it first. Going to the other one. I might do 4. You know? Jodo un poquito, pero así se va a quedar. Okay, first screws. I might do 4. I'm gonna do 2, well, more, 2 in each size. It looks looking good. I like how it looks. Now I'm going to go to the back and do the same. You're gonna. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Okay, I put, there we go, two each, two of each, boom boom. It's not moving anywhere. It's not moving anywhere. The seats is looking awesome. Even it's a little bit tighter too. So, man, I like it. Here we go. I gotta buy some new cushion. One for here, one for the back, but this is too straight for me. Here's my back. But they were right. You got space. That's one. And hopefully that's two. That's two. On the market and do it outside. Since I got the screw already on the other one, it won't move. I'm just gonna go ahead and do this one right here. Yeah, I gotta do the screw a little bit bigger, but it worked. I go for the other one. That's it. That's it. Just put this on and tie it, and that will be it. Yeah, this got to go down. I'll fix it in a minute anyways. So I'm going to do the same thing on the front. And oh, oh yeah. It's not going anywhere. It's not going anywhere. That's awesome. So I did it simple. Put 4 screws on each side. 1 screw here. And that's it. So before I go to go fishing the day before, like I always do, I put the seat on, tight everything, and take it to fishing. Come back, same thing. When I come back, start washing the kayak, I remove the knobs and put it away, and then leave this by itself. But hey, I'm gonna try and see how it is. See if people are doing it for a while. This is the first time, and look, it looks awesome, man. I like how it looks. It looks awesome. I like it. I really do. And they're right. You got space under the kayak to put boxes. You got space right here to put boxes. You know, my camera box that I always carry on my legs, I can just put it under there so the sun won't kill it. My fish measure, you know, my little board to measure the fish, I can also put it under the seat, so I can clean this up. That's what I always wanted to do. Clean it up, clean this up. And what can I say? That's it for the DIY project. And guys, that's it. Like I said, I like how the project, it won't move. This I got it wider a whole little bit. Nothing major, but it's solid. This is a chair. Solid. It's really solid. I really like it. I really like it. Like I said, I got 3 more days to go to therapy. Then after I go to the doctor appointment, and he's gonna let me know what's going on. Going back to the airport, I don't know. I will say I gotta move on and get something else, because we've been working hard with my elbow, like I said before, and we're getting old. And also the doctor was he mentioned also that my injury was severe. So let's see. I don't know. I just want to do a DIY so I can come back also and put some videos on the channel, because it's been a while. It's 10 months, and see what happened. So guys, I'm still alive, like always. Sorry for no videos. Like I said, hopefully I'll be in the water soon. Like always, like, share, please subscribe, and hopefully I'll see you in the water. Thank you.